Thank you so much, Java Coffee, for sponsoring today's video. For those who don't know, Java Coffee is a brand that is about fueling your experiences with so many different flavors. I love that you can enjoy your favorite coffee from anywhere at home or either on the go. I'm a coffee girl, and ever since I've been hitting the gym, I love to add protein to my coffee. Java has just came out with an instant protein coffee. This has 10 grams of premium whey protein, 115 milligrams of premium Arabica coffee. And it also contains a clean label, gluten-free and sugar-free, which I love because I've been trying to cut back on sugar, so I'm loving the sugar-free vibes. And all you need to do to get started is you can decide if you want to use 1 to 2 scoops of the instant protein coffee. And if you're going to use 1 scoop, you're going to have to use 8 ounces of water. And for the 2 scoops, you're going to have to use 16 ounces. But most importantly, make sure you shake it up very, very good. And also you can use a frother as well. This is really going to help to be able to just dissolve it and just make it a little bit more smoother. And as you can see, I'm using my workout cup that has like the little spiral inside to mix it all together. So we're going to be making a iced coffee. So I'm going to be adding some ice cubes, of course, and then I'm going to be adding some almond milk, which is unsweetened, and then I have a little bit of creamer. This tastes so good, y'all. It's like so creamy, so good, and honestly, you can't even tell that there's protein in the coffee. You know how some proteins have like that little grainy taste? This definitely does not have that. So if you're interested in getting yours today, do not forget to click the link down below, and don't forget to use my code. I have it here on the screen. It is going to be Erica49366 for 20% off, girl. Yes, girl, 20% off, okay? Period. You can't get no better than that. So make sure to click the link down below. And thank you so much again for Java Coffee for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get right into the vlog. Hello mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So hey girl, we're about to head out. Today is Saturday, so we're about to head out. I'm just getting my my purse together. I have everything I need. So we're going to, the first stop is going to my apartments because I have to return my key. Today is the last day. And then I think I want to go to Bath and Body Works because they have their room sprays for like $2.95. So I got to get some of those. And then I want to go to Trader Joe's and I think Target. So we're just going to see what the vibes are. But yeah, so I have everything packed. Wearing my Fenty gloss. I love this stuff. It's so good. So yeah, I will see y'all once we get to our destination. Made it to Publix and it's raining.
One of their stockings is my favorite.
Yeah, I just got it because I thought the shirt was cute.
It's spotless.
Yeah. I don't know about that. Yeah, that's good. You got the
Shawty rock to the beat for your boy. Shawty, yeah, do yeah. Rock to the beat for your boy. Radio killer, killer. Shawty flap it, shawty tight it, should skate it, all night it. With you, I missed you. picture. Now it's time I get back up with you, girl, with you. Oh yeah, we used to kick it up at the park, but now she's all grown up. Rockin' them stilettos, jumping up out of that Mercedes truck. Ooh, it was Keisha, it was Sonya, it was Tanya, it was Monique, it was Niecy, it was Kiki. Now to see you at 23, all I can say is, hey, man, I don't need no Uber for this shit. Shorty right there, shit, shorty, shit.
Back to the animalistic, a monster that lies within each of us.
Hey little mamas, what's poppin'? It is the next day. So y'all saw me do my little shower routine, morning routine, skincare, and I didn't really get on here and talk to y'all, but it's the next day. Today is Sunday, so I'm trying to get this video out today. Hopefully it's long enough. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and check in and tell y'all what's poppin'. Right now I'm sitting down about to edit this video so it can get up, because we're going to see The Little Mermaid today at what time? 5 I think, or 5:15. We're gonna go see The Little Mermaid. I'm so excited. I really hope it's not that many people. Hopefully everybody went to go see it on Friday. So yeah, and the movie theater we're going to is very like low-key, like it's in like the country, so I'm hoping that it's not gonna be that many people. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. Like, I'm ready to see it. I've been seeing people show little snippets here and there, but I haven't been on TikTok today, so I don't want to spoil like the movie, so I haven't really been on TikTok like that. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to sit here and edit today's video. I'm honestly almost done, but right now it's only at 5 minutes. Like, that's the hardest thing for me, is getting like a video, like my routine videos, to be over like 10 minutes. It'd be kind of hard for me. That's why I try to do like vlog style, just so that I can have like more stuff to talk about. But yeah, so this is what we're doing this Sunday. I'm about to go get me something to eat because I'm a little hungry. And yeah, I have not been doing nothing all day, y'all. And it's raining outside, so it's like the perfect vibe. And my outfit is just very cozy. I have on sweatpants, this little sweatshirt, and just a hat, y'all. Okay, a quick one too. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna end this video right here. I really hope y'all enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace.
Did I ever ask you to take me